Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to get grid on iPhone camera. Since I am not using an iOS device, so all you have to do is just follow along and you'll be able to get that grid. Okay. Now the first thing that you need to do is just to go to your phone settings, okay? And then as you can see here, when you open your camera, you'll be able to see this grid. But if you don't have that feature, all you have to do is to go to your phone settings and then tap on the photos and camera. Okay, so it depends on your device. So you just have to look for that. And then after that, you just have to scroll down until you see the grid option. So you'll just have to tap on the switch here, okay, to turn it on. And when it turns green, it means that the grid feature has been turned on. So when you go back to your camera, you'll be able to see this grid here. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can get a grid on iPhone camera. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.